Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're in need of a laser level that's going to measure out a whole entire room, this video might just be for you. So this company right here sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you do a little unboxing, a little overview, show all that comes with this thing, because at first glance, this thing is legit. But no way whatsoever this being provided to me, Effect This Review. I'm just here to keep it real. So this is the case that it comes in. Very, very hard, durable travel case, because this piece of technology, with all the lasers and things that are going into this, I would say are very sensitive. This is a class 2 lasers that are used in this device. Inside here, everything has its own specific spot where it all goes. All right, now what all do you get in this kit? So you get a tripod, sits about 30 inches off the ground from the foot to the base. The tripod also has this built-in gear that lets you fine-tune the height of your laser level another about 11 inches or so coming up. And so you can really kind of fine-tune that in and then lock it into place, really to kind of give you that perfect measurement where you're trying to get using the tripod off the floor. You also get not one, but 2 battery packs. And the life of these is about 16 hours of use. So basically a full day on, let's just say, a job site, no problemo, you're gonna have your laser level doing everything you need. So then you have the laser level device that also has the audio tone that will let you know if it's not level or if it's moving. It has 2 vertical and 2 horizontal. So 2 horizontal beams and 2 vertical beams, and they can be pressed with the V for vertical. So you got 1, 2 this way, and then you have 2 horizontal, 1, 2, and this way. So a full spectrum of lights, whether needing to get a measurement on the floor, on the ceiling, or on any wall in a room. It also comes with a wireless remote that allows you to have 3 different visual cues as far as the lasers are concerned. One is the dimmer, one is flashing, and one is bright. So it's dim, brighter, and then a strobe effect. Also comes with a charger to charge both of the batteries. It comes with a attachment, this is already attached, that allows for fine tuning and rotation. 3 legs for ultra fine tuning exactly the measurement you want. And then you have a swivel here. So again, you can get very, very, very fine tuned. If this was sitting in a situation where it's on the floor or on a mount, it swivels nice and smooth, very smooth. I believe it's got ball bearings in there that gives us a very smooth rotation, which is gonna aid in getting that exact measurement you want. The technical specs on this, automatic leveling has a range of plus or minus about 3 degrees. So that audio notification, if the device is moved within about a 3-degree measurement, it's gonna give you that audio notification. The accuracy of the laser is within 1 millimeter. From a floor mount standpoint, 1 inch thick, and will allow for fine-tuned measurements all the way up to 3.5 inches. So the device could be sitting like this, and you'll have about 3.5 inches of additional play when you're wanting to raise this up. It also comes with a magnetic wall plate. And so this would be a situation where this can be screwed into a wall, or screwed into, let's just say, a ceiling. So you have a couple different options here. And then you have an additional mount. So this is a fine tuning mount where the device would be mounted on here, and then it has some rotation here to rotate the device 360. You can also slide it this way. So when capturing, let's just say, a wall line, this will also allow for some fine-tuning adjustment off the wall. Another fine-tune adjustment vertically that will allow, let's just say this is mounted on the wall, and it will allow for some additional pitch this way, up or down, to really kind of fine-tune the exact line measurement that you want. The tripod mount allows for a couple different things. So the device can be screwed in to the base of the laser level, and then this will provide additional pitch left or right all the way beyond 90 degrees, which is also very helpful. It also comes with additional attachments to make the attachment to the laser level nice and convenient based on the user's needs. So using the tripod as the mount, this can be raised up, can be raised down. When the desired height is met, there's a locking screw right here, and now it's not going anywhere. This also uses a combination of the spinning option. So this is the table mount, but it also serves as a way to rotate it nice and conveniently. And then once the laser stops beeping, you know you have a level line. It also has a digital display showing what percentage of the battery is left. It has manual options on top to do vertical, horizontal, or adjusting the brightness or the strobe effect of the lights. To give an idea of all the different type of laser lines that this will generate, this is vertical 1 and 2. So there's 1, and then there's 1 and 2. That gives an X on, then you have a horizontal line. There's 1, second option, and then 2. And it pretty much allows all the different lines. So 4 different lasers can be used at the exact time, depending on the user's needs. To demonstrate how these lasers work using the wall mount, this is the magnetic wall mount that would be screwed into a wall. And then this connects via the magnetic plates, sticks to it nice and sturdy. The audio notification lets you know when it is either level or not. In this example, all 4 lasers are in use, and there are fine-tuning screws as mentioned. Then the fine-tuning screws can be used to rotate left or right to find the desired spot. You also have a fine-tuning screw that allows for it to very, very, very subtly come away from the wall or go closer to the wall. And there's also a vertical screw. So in this example right now, it is out of being level. And then with a couple tightens of the screw, now it is level. So this is adjusting the pitch up or down. This one is adjusting this forward and back. And the other one is adjusting a 360 turn. Hopefully this answers any questions you have about, I would say, a over-the-top, over-engineered, in a good way, laser level for, I can't imagine any other thing that this can't do. This is gonna measure anything and everything needed, either on a ceiling, or on a floor, or on a wall, to get that level line needed for whatever your project may require.